Hello everyone, today we are taking a look at the ED3 Power Base by Fanxoo. Let's go ahead and open the box. So the first and only thing that comes in the box is the actual power base, and right away you can just feel that this power base is solid. The front of the power base has a button to turn it on and off, and on top of that it has 4 LED lights to tell you how much power the power base has. On the base it has 2 connections, one to hold the echo dot in place and the other one is the AC power connection. On the bottom it has a rubber base so it'll protect whatever surface you put it on. On the back it has a power connection to be able to charge the power base, and you would use your Echo Dot charger to charge this device. It has a 10,000 mAh battery that can be charged within 2 hours. The battery will last up to 6 hours of continuous use at maximum volume. Plugging the Echo Dot to the power base is super easy. You just slide it in and you're ready to go. Taking it with you is convenient and super easy to carry. Alexa, play relaxing music.
The playlist Relaxing Scores on Amazon Music.
Overall, the power base is great and it makes it very convenient and easy to carry the 3rd generation Echo Dot anywhere you go. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Thank you for watching.